Welcome to Thenas Channel. This is 55 modern bathroom design ideas for a stylish, functional, and relaxing space. Where we explore stunning modern bathroom designs to inspire your next renovation or build. Whether you're seeking sleek minimalism, luxurious spa vibes, or space-saving solutions for compact bathrooms, this video is packed with creative ideas to transform your bathroom into a masterpiece. Bathrooms are no longer just functional spaces, they're a personal oasis where you can relax, refresh, and recharge. With modern trends focusing on clean lines, innovative storage, and natural materials, you'll discover how to combine aesthetics and practicality effortlessly. From elegant floating vanities to frameless glass showers and bold tile patterns, this collection has something for every taste and lifestyle. Each design showcases unique details that elevate the space, such as statement lighting fixtures, large mirrors that enhance natural light, and eco-friendly features that make your bathroom sustainable and stylish. You'll also find creative layouts for maximizing space in small bathrooms, ensuring every inch is both beautiful and useful. As you watch, imagine how these ideas can be adapted to your home. Whether you're planning a full remodel or just seeking inspiration for small updates, these designs will spark your creativity and help you craft a bathroom you'll love for years to come. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more design inspiration, and leave a comment below with your favorite design. Happy watching, and may your bathroom makeover be a success.